Aloha, this is Stephanie Dutcher bringing you everything you need to know about Makena Surf. Makena Surf is a hotel-zoned luxury vacation rental complex located directly on Poʻolenalena Beach, which is also known as Chang's Beach. Makena Surf was built in 1984 and comprised of 105 units on 10.8 acres. Makena Surf is set up as 7 buildings that are all 3 stories tall. Each building orients out towards the water, providing beautiful ocean views. Makena Surf is only one of 2 complexes in all of Makena that is vacation rentable. Talk about premium real estate here. Makena Surf also has a handful of 3-bedroom units, which is a rare find. Majority of the vacation rental hotel zone type luxury units are 1 and 2 bedrooms. So finding a complex that has 3-bedroom units is a rare find. The units at Makena Surf are large and spacious. They live like a nice single family home. They range anywhere from 1,300 square feet to 1,600 square feet. Some owners at Makena Surf have opted to buy 2 units side by side. They've torn down the wall in between to make one extra large unit. Those units don't come on the market often, but when they do, you can imagine the price point on them is quite substantial. Makena Surf is a gated community. There's also a security guard that patrols the community as well, adding an extra layer of safety and security. Makena Surf has 2 beautiful, pristine pools that give you that, I'm on vacation now type of feel. There are 4 pristine tennis courts, and from going in your unit to butt in the sand is 5 minutes or less. Super easy access to Poʻolenalena Beach. Poʻolenalena Beach is beautiful. There are not a ton of people that are at Poʻolenalena Beach, mainly because on the south part of the beach, which is right near Makena Surf and where you would access it, there's not a ton of parking or easy access to it. There's a small parking lot up towards the north part of Makena Surf building, but once that parking lot's full, you can't park on the street. Therefore, it makes it feel like you have your own private beach. Now, Poʻolenalena Beach, again, also known as Chang's Beach by the locals in the area, has amazing snorkeling. There's a ton of black rock that goes up and around Building F, and it is just fantastic. It's best to go out in the morning before the wind picks up, but you will not be disappointed here. Poʻolenalena Beach is great for sunbathing, frolicking, putting out a stand-up paddleboard, and again, super easy access to go from your unit to putting your feet in the sand. One thing to notate about Makena Surf is that each of the units there have very large lanai spaces, so it's super inviting to do that indoor-outdoor style of living. With our good weather year-round, Makena Surf is just a home run. About a 4-minute drive north from Makena Surf, you're going to run into the shops of Wailea that houses a number of restaurants, shopping areas. There's also Island Gourmet, which is going to be your closest grocery store. Now, please note, this is not a full-blown grocery store. It's more of a deli mixed with a grocery store for picking up some of your basic needs. If you're trying to find a larger grocery store, you're going to be going into Foodland in Central Kihei or Safeway in Northern Kihei area. Makena Surf is about a 35-minute drive to the airport. You're also about a 5 to 10-minute drive to the golf courses here in Wailea. Super key, amazing location, gives you that feeling of aloha and of, I'm on vacation. I just can't get over saying that, because every time I'm at Makena Surf, I'm thinking, we've arrived, we're on vacation now, and I live here. So when I get that feeling, you got to pay attention to it. Anyway, enough talking on my part. I'm so excited to show you Makena Surf. Now come on, let's go take a look. If you're interested in purchasing a property at Makena Surf, please give me a call. I would love to talk to you and see what it might take to help you make Makena Surf your next home or investment property. I've also included a link down below, which houses even more information for you regarding Makena Surf, including a building map and properties available for sale. I hope you enjoy. Now, I'm Stephanie Dutcher, signing off for now, your resource for everything related to Makena Surf and Maui real estate. Do not be a stranger. Reach out to me today. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Aloha.